Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera distortion on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and swipe up and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so clean camera lens with the help of tissue paper. After clean camera lens, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and click on camera app and click on storage usage. Click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app. Scroll down to end, click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, let us go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera distortion on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.